Amazon is all about keywords, and every brand want to know exactly what their competitors are ranking for so they can also get benefits from those keywords. So this is what exactly I'll show you in this video, how you can steal your competitor keywords and work on it and be beneficial from it. So without further delay, let's get into it. I'm in Amazon.com and let me just change the location. So I look for a keyword, let's say air freshener spray. So my product is related to air freshener spray and I want to be looking for the same competitor. So let's say this is the spot where my competition is showing their ad. This is called headline ad, and this is the sponsor product ads. So all of these competitors, this one, these ones, and all of these ones, these are being ranking for these sport on specific keywords. Like here, this one. So what you guys can do is that grab every single one of them and try to see and run a helium 10 on it. What I'll do that I'll take a product which is this one, this brand I'll take, and what I'll do is that I will copy its ASIN. So I have copied the ASIN of this product. So you guys can see they have around 3000 ratings with 4.7 stars and they have 20K plus bought in last month. So this is a good product and I want to analyze and steal their keywords. So now I have their SN, I have just copied it and what I'll do is that this is a helium 10 and I'll try to grab those keywords. So let's just paste the SN and run this. It will give me the keywords. Now I want to grab all of those keywords. They're being ranked for sponsored rank at maximum 30 because on average the category have 20 to 30 sports allocated for the sponsored ranks or in some scenario it's around 10 to 15 so depending upon which category you should be looking for, but 30 is a good number because this is a big category and a lot of competition is being going on. This is a very competitive uh, niche, so that's why I'm going for 30. 30 is a good number to be in start with. So once I put the here, I will say apply filters. Yeah, it's applying the filter. So this one is the apply filter. Yeah, it's been applied. So let me just download this. It will export as a CSV file. Once it's been downloaded, then I'll try to import it in the Google Sheets. Yeah, we can replace it. So this is it. So if you can see that in here in sponsored rank, it's showing the all of the keywords with rank from 1 till 20th 7. So I will just remove this and sort it from A to Z. So these are all of the keywords it's been ranking for, and what we can do is that we can just hide these and it will show you all of their search volume. We can also apply another filter which will be to greater than 99. This will show me all of the keywords that are being this brand is being ranking for and the sponsored positions and having search volume greater than 99. What else we can also do is that to sort it from search volume, and this will show you all of these keywords. And this is a big brand which is driving 20,000 sales in each month. So they've been also been ranking for other keywords like classroom must have and cleaning sprays because it's getting traffic from all of these brand as well. If we specify it and make it short brand, like if we work on the short brand with having sales from 200 to 300 in the last month or below, then we will see a very relevant keywords here. Nevertheless, you guys can also go over it and filter it. So if I'm looking for freshener, let me just copy it here. So as a text containing freshener, so it will show me all of those keywords containing freshener as a keyword. So this one, these are all of the good keywords, and this competitor is being ranking for. So yeah, this is it. This is how you're gonna steal all of your competitor keywords, and you will know exactly what they've been ranking for, so you can also utilize it and try to run campaign on these keywords. So this is it from this video. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment sections, and don't forget to like, subscribe and follow. See you in the next video.